Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up wooden wall panel slats. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to upgrade one of their walls with wooden panel slats like what you see right over here. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way that I actually upgraded my room is that I used these wooden wall panel pads from Wood Veneer Hub. Okay, so I'll leave a link to these down below in the description. But this is what my setup looks like. So my wall over here is green. Over here on this entire wall, this is 12 by 8 feet, and this is where all the panels are. And then on my right wall over here is black. So I used a circular saw to actually cut across the wooden wall panel slats. I used the jigsaw to actually cut out the electrical outlet that you see right over there. And then I used a sander to smoothen out the edges up top. And then I also used a box cutter to cut between the felts. Now, as far as mounting these onto the wall goes, this was the thing that worried me the most, but it was actually the easiest thing. I simply just used black drywall anchor screws like these ones that you see over here. Okay, so it blends in seamlessly. People aren't going to notice it unless they're really up close. But for each of my 6 panels, there's 9 screws on each panel. So it's 3 screws up top, 3 screws in the middle, and then 3 screws at the bottom. And that's the way that I have it set up. I've seen on YouTube that you can use glue. I've seen that you can use wooden anchors. I'm not so like home savvy to be able to do that. So I just simply screwed it straight into the wall. So I'll leave a link to the screws that I use in order to mount these onto the wall. But if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.